Is it possible to get paid to watch ads? You might be surprised to learn that getting paid to watch ads is a whole subculture on the internet. Some people even buy extra phones and laptops so that they can always run ads on more than one device. So in today's video we will tell you how to earn $2 every minute just by watching ads. There are a lot of fake and time-wasting websites out there. But now, we would be looking at one with a lot of offers every day, no restrictions on which countries can join, and a fast way to cash out using PayPal or bank transfers. Please pay close attention to everything I say today. I wouldn't want you to miss any important details. You can see right here that there are 4 different ways to make money on this site. For one thing, you can play games or write and fill out surveys about certain products. When you shop online, you can also get cash back and coupons. Then there is watching commercials on video. I think this is the best way for beginners to do it. But don't forget that I'll give you some tips at the end of this video. Let's go to the home page next. This can be done on any device. That includes your computer, your cell phone, or your tablet. I'm sure this will work in any country on the planet, and you don't even have to put any money into it. When you land on this site's homepage, you will see links to their mobile app on the App Store or the Play Store. This platform is called PaidWork. You can visit it at paidwork.com. As you scroll down, you can see that PaidWork says it's the best place to turn your time into money. Paid work can be a full-time job or an extra job for people all over the world. It has benefits like being solution-based and giving people a lot of freedom. You can start earning $2 every minute by watching ads on this platform as soon as you have an internet connection and a device. Again, you get to choose exactly how you want to make money with paid work: playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and making accounts. People tend to look for jobs that pay $100 for every video they watch. This is the main reason why people might not seem to make much money on sites like this. I can say, with complete honesty, that jobs like that are almost impossible to find. Instead, try to make a huge fortune out of the small amounts of money you would make from each task, like $1 or $2, and you could make up to $150 every month. This is done as part of the paid work, and there are no extra taxes or fees. But there's no limit on how much you can make. You decide how much you make. Just get out your phone, make sure you have a good internet connection, and go to paidwork.com. If you watch ads, you can make $2 every minute. If you want to learn more about how to make money online doing any of these things, you can click on the tab at the top of the page that says How It Works. Here, slowly scroll down to see how to choose a way to make money, how to start making money from the way you choose, and how the admins will pay you. Still want to know how it works? Click the See More button and look around this page to find the Resources tab. If you want a free account, all you have to do is click on the blue button at the top right that says Registration, and you will be brought to this page where you can sign up. You can start by signing in with your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. After that, click on the blue button that says Next Step. You would be taken to a page where you could type in your first and last name, as well as your gender. When you click Register, you will go to your dashboard. Since I already have an account, I'm gonna log in to my own paid work account now. On the dashboard up here, you can see everything you made on this platform. Right now, I have up to $232 from paid work, and I sent $300 to PayPal last month. I made a total of $208 this month, $46 this week, $15 yesterday, and $11 today. Just by looking at ads. Since you are just starting out, you might look a little different. but just chill out and remember that I said to start small and let the money add up. If you start making money, it will show up here at the top of your dashboard. Now, I want to go to the left side of the screen and click on Earn. Here you can see the different ways to get paid work online, all of which I showed you earlier in this video. Since we want to know how to watch ads and make $2 every minute, we would come here and click on the Watch Videos tab. If you tap the green button that says Earn, you will be taken to this page. I only have one offer left from Fiverr, which is to watch an ad. I have already done many other offers before this one. Now, Fiverr is a platform that gives people who make mobile apps new ways to make money off of them. Fiverr, which is now also called Digital Turbine, is usually a one-stop platform for getting more users and making money. This company is involved in all kinds of mobile advertising. They work with app developers, brands, agencies, even telecom to spread the word about advertiser products, get people to buy them, and make money from them on mobile devices. This little bit about Fiverr was meant to explain why I wouldn't be able to do this task in this video. I put too much emphasis on the fact that Fiverr video ads can only be watched on a mobile device, which is how they work. When we go back to the site and click on this Fiverr button, we can see that this method of making money is only available on iOS or Android mobile devices. You can get the app on your phone by tapping on either of these buttons, and you can start making money with Fiverr right away. Here, we can see that paid work has been downloaded more than 5 million times from the Google Play Store. Obviously, 5 million people can't all be wrong when they use this app to watch ads and make $2 every minute. We can also see that the mobile version of the paid work would make it easier for you to keep track of how much money you make. It also shows how you can make money with the app, so you know that this feature isn't just on the web version. You can get your money out of the app right away and there are no fees. You can also control what you do by keeping an eye on your daily analytics. You can also invite your friends to use the platform to make money, which will make you money as well. Sign up for this platform now and start making a lot of money. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching. See you next time.